How to buy Wen Lambo financial token. So this token came under the symbol of WLFI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 8 hours ago and it increased by 16,000% in less than 4 hours. This token also trends in number 2 in the in the Ethereum section, in the screener. So to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address, and now you can open your Bitget whiteboard. And as you can see, now first of all, I will just log into my wallets. And as you can see here, from the top right corner, click here, and now you can select the Ethereum network. Now click on this plus icon, and now you can paste the token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. So after that, just go back and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called WLFI. So after you find it, now click on it. So click here on swap. Now you can switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy like that. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, what you need to do, just click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy WLFI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.